Hello, welcome. Today we are going to talk about the contrast coming in our life. As Abraham Hicks always says, that contrasts are good. That's better. Contrast should come in our lives, and when it comes, sometimes we don't able to understand the goodness of that contrast. Sometimes, yeah, most of the times we just get worried, why this have come, why this have come, why this has happened to me, this should be like this, that should be like this. We just always try to justify the situation that it is wrong, and someone has done something wrong for me, but it's not good. Actually, contrast is better. First, when I heard this, I was surprised. Heard this from Abrahamics, that contrasts are good for us. But after analyzing for some time, I understood that really contrasts are good. It comes, or the contrast, or in our language we can say, in a common language, common man language, that it is the problems or the situation which are not favorable according to us, which is not good according to our thinking. Those things, those problems are good, because when they come, we are able to think more for the solution, how the situation can be better, why this has happened, what we can do. So when the contrast or a problem comes, we get worried and we just waste our energy for 2 days, 3 days, or few people it could be 1 or 2 hours. That's great, but it should be with for, I think it should be for just 3 to 5 seconds. That is quite difficult, or 3 to 5 minutes you can say. When a contrast or a problem comes, I think it's my own experience that we should do when some problem comes, or somebody has done something and we are saying that the person has done the wrong thing. If such thing comes, we just don't have to react. Just remember this, we just don't have to react, we have to respond. So for responding we need some time. If you are well trained enough to respond, then that's fine. But most of the people, I think 75% percentage of people, 75% people uh, react, they don't respond. As we see on the road, when somebody got struck by mistake, then there is a fighting. Means people start to fight that you were wrong, you were wrong. Both of them blame each other, and that is reaction. But we have to respond in all the situations. I think yeah, we have to. So when we feel that somebody has done something wrong, and we are not comfortable with that situation, or we are not at ease, then first of all do one thing. Just find a place to sit with a pen and paper, and sit and write 4 things. First, the things which we are thinking that it shouldn't have happened. What is the problem according to us? We have to write that. Then the second thing, on the same page, make 4 columns. First, write what is the wrong in this situation. That has to be written. Then in the second column, what should have happened according to me, मेरे हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए था. Then the third column, why this has happened, है ना. What is the teaching, why this contrast or this problem has came to my life, why this has happened. It because it is always said na, that either good happens or some learning is there. So we have to think that why this, what learning we are getting from this situation, from this problem. Okay, that has to be written. And then the fourth column, what should be done now. So we have to think for these 4 things. Whenever there is a problem, when there is a contrast, just take a pen paper. First of all, don't react. Teach your brain not to react. Just keep quiet, and whenever a problem comes or a contrast comes, just keep quiet. Find some time for you. If you don't have any place, just go to the washroom, take a paper and pen, just stand up there, or take your mobile, and write these 4 points. First of all, on a paper you can make 4 columns. On a mobile you can just put 1 2 3 4 points. First one will be what is the problem, why I am uncomfortable, what is not going correct according to myself. Then the second column, uh, what should have been done, what should have been done means according to me what should have been done, what is the right thing according to me. Then the third column, why this has problem. Always remember this, when there is a problem, when there is a situation which is not according to me, when there is a contrast coming to my life, there is a learning there. Just try to focus out. Immediately you won't get any this thing, but after writing these two things, I think it always happen, always to nahi lekin, but it happens with me that when I write the things that what is wrong with the situation, uh, according to me what is wrong in the contrast, and the next thing, what should have been happened according to me. Then when you analyze these two things, you get the learning. You will have a third thing will happen, that after analyzing these 2 points, you'll have something in your brain which tells you that this has come to teach me this, है ना? We have to program our mind like this, that we have to focus on the teaching on the in the problem. So third thing, you have to write the teaching or the reason why this has come, and then the fourth thing, now what should be done. These 4 points has to be analyzed as quickly as possible. I think you could take 5 to 10 minutes, then zero down it to 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and you will see, when you will start doing this frequently, you will come to I can just guarantee you will come down to 1 minute. You can just pause and think according to those 4 points, and done, and you move on with a smile on your face. This will happen. Try this. Have a great day.